Hello guys, today we'll see how to convert the English statements written into English language to the predicate logic, or it is also called as the first order predicate logic, that is FOL. See, we'll start with the simple example. The first example we have is Steve is smart. This statement will be written like that while when converted into predicate logic as Steve in bracket smart. Okay, this is just a simple example. The another example we'll take is that students are bright. So here student implies to bright. Okay, this will be written like student in bracket x implies to bright of x. Here the student is the first which implies to the bright, so this will be the written like that only. Means here the sequence of the student and bright is important, means we have to write in on this way only. Okay, this student implies to bright. Now let's move some different kinds of sentences. Here we are having the two sentences. Now we'll make the predicate of these two sentences. What is the first sentence we have? Student like drawing. In this statement we'll make the predicate of like and write student comma drawing in bracket. Okay, this statement is converted into predicate logic or the first order logic likewise, means the like in bracket student comma drawing. The another statement we have is girls like flowers. Okay, the again similarly it will be represented as like in bracket girls comma flowers. Okay, this is how these kinds of statement get converted. These kinds of English sentences get converted into the predicate logic or first order logic. Okay, now we'll see some different kinds of sentences. See, the statements we are having are, okay, what are these? All engineers choose development. Okay, and the second statement we have, some engineers choose testing. Okay, what here we are having two words, that is all and some. To describe these two words, that is all and some, we are having some quantifiers. The quantifiers which we had already discussed in the first lecture. The first quantifier we have is the inverted a, which will call it as a universal quantifier, and the second quantifier we have is the inverse of e, which will call it as a existential quantifier. So these two quantifiers are used. Likewise, the universal of x represent for all x such that, and the second, the existential of x represent for some x such that. Okay, these are the two quantifiers which are used to express the two words, that is all and some. The universal quantifier used to represent the word for all. The inverted e or existential quantifier is used to represent for some. Okay, now moving towards our example, what we are having, the all engineers choose development. So the predicate logic, or it will be converted into first order logic like universal of x such that engineers of x implies to choose in bracket x comma development. Here x stands for engineers, means here again the sequence of matters in that what we have written in the bracket x comma development. We cannot write development comma x because here engineers like choose the development is not chosen by development is not choose the engineers. Okay, so engineers choose the development, that's why the sequence written as engineers of x implies to choose in bracket x comma development. The second statement we were having is that some engineers choose testing. Okay, again how it will be written, it will be written like existential of x such that engineers of x implies choose in bracket x comma testing. Again the sequence matters. Okay, because engineers choose testing, that's why we have written choose in bracket x comma testing. Okay, if we write testing comma x, the statement goes wrong, that's why here we have to take care of the sequence of words or sequence of predicate we are writing while converting these English sentences into the predicate logic. These are the two examples we are having with our quantifiers, that the quantifiers was the universal quantifier and the existential quantifier. Okay, this is how we can convert the sentences into the predicate logic, or we can say it as a first order logic. Okay, thank you.